Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial of how I did my makeup. Stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Here I take the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder to cover up all the dark spots that I have on my face. This helps the foundation looks even and cover up, give me an added coverage. And you could purchase this at Walgreens, CVS. So I mixed the two shades, 355 and 356. Normally I would just put it on a beauty blender. Today I decided just to put it on my face and merge the two colors. Here is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I use this for under eye. I purchased this at Walmart. So I'm not the best at doing brows, but this is my technique. I always brush up the brows in the beginning and then I draw the line to look natural. And I don't like to fill it in too dark, just enough to where they fill them in neatly. And this does not have to be perfect because I'm going to go in later with some more concealer to cover up any mistakes that I make with drawing the line. Here you want to take a wet beauty blender and just blend. I'm gonna fast forward this part because mostly everyone knows this is the part that you do. It takes a while, so I speeded it up for you guys. I must say I love this beauty blender. It's like my favorite. I'm not sure if I got it from Ulta or the FabFitFun box, but it's amazing. This is where I completely messed up. I was trying something new this day and it didn't work out. As you will see, this is not the right shade for me to be contouring with. So I'm trying to cover it up by using a beauty blender to blend it back to what it looked, something normal. I didn't like it. So, yeah. So I also went wrong by using that same brush to go underneath my eye to remove my Sacha Buttercup. I should not have done that. As you can see on the left side, the eye looks so much darker. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, no. So I just went back in with some Sacha Buttercup powder to lighten it back up. So this is my favorite under eyeliner from L'Oreal. It does not run, and that was my issue with a lot of the other pencils. They will run, and yeah, this one doesn't. This is my go-to. So I bought this Smashbox eyeshadow palette from TJ Maxx, and I'm not the best at eyeshadowing, so I'm just freestyling this, not sure what I'm doing, but I did like the shades that this little palette came with. So thank you guys for watching. This was a tutorial with a lot of mistakes, but hey, we're human. Mistakes are inevitable. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.